So my car got stranded 6 hours from home in a blizzard, so I decided to go to the movies. And let me tell you, I'm frozen too.
Joe who?
Joe Mama!
Wow. Dude, that was crazy. That was an adventure. Grocery stores are hectic nowadays. All right, so now we dine. Let's get it, baby.
Yesterday.
Hey, Zach, what happened?
Nothing.
So our car broke down, and we still got 3 hours to go. So me and my buddy Zach are just gonna play a little frisbee. Oh yeah. So we got stuck on the side of the road on our way back home from Maine. About a 6-hour drive. AAA didn't come for 4 hours. They can't get us home tonight. It's snowing. And now we're about to go to the movies. We're gonna watch Frozen 2. One of my good friends went all the way to Cuba and brought me back a Cuban cigar. This special occasion broke down. It's a blizzard. I do not condone smoking, but for special occasions, an occasional boss cigar is needed. So we're having a Cuban cigar in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Give me a light. Okay, it's smooth. It's very smooth. Some things are sacred, like a Cuban cigar with your best friend while you're stranded in a blizzard. God bless. We decided to hitchhike. So now we are walking through the snowstorm blizzard. It's beautiful out. We're outside of Applebee's right now at this intersection. The hitchhiking has commenced. I would film the whole thing, but I gotta keep the battery life going.
It could be pouring rain. It could be a blizzard. You still gotta walk.
After 20 minutes of hitchhiking, we finally got a ride. I didn't want to make the driver weirded out, so I snuck this clip for you guys. We made it to our destination. That truck going off was the guy that just gave us a ride. Recap real quick. We hung out at Barnes & Noble's all day. I didn't really vlog that, but I read a couple books. We tried to talk to girls. Did you talk to girls? Yeah. Oh, I didn't really talk to any girls. I was FaceTimed a couple friends. Shout out to D-Lag TV. We hitchhiked and got to our destination. We got a freaking free... I don't know how this works. We're about to go jump in the pool and go swimming in our shorts. Oh, I didn't bring my extra basketball shorts. We're gonna go swimming and go to the hot tub, and there's complimentary coffee. I'm gonna try to edit tonight up on TikTok or any other platforms and just kind of do my thing. Oh my gosh, that's been... Water's actually kind of nice. I'm gonna hop in the hot tub for a little bit.